Good morning. Welcome in this class. Before starting my class, I want to ask something. What is this?
Pen.
What are these?
Pens.
What is this?
Pencil.
What are these?
Pencils.
What is this?
Book.
What are these?
Books.
When there is one, that time pen. And when more than one, these are pens. It means when there is only one, that is called pen, and when more than one, these are called pens. It means pen is singular and pens are plural. And in the chapter of number, we read about it. So, today we shall study number. We should see the definition of number. It denotes the noun whether it is one or more than one. In earlier classes, we have read about noun. There are four pillars of noun: number, gender, case, and articles. If you want to understand noun in better way, that time you must know these all four pillars of noun: number, gender, case, and articles. Today we are reading number, and the definition is it denotes the noun whether it is one or more than one. Kinds. It has two kinds: singular number, plural number. Number is also a part of Hindi grammar. In Hindi also there are two numbers, ekvachan and bahuvachan. In Sanskrit we also read number, but in Sanskrit there are three numbers: ekvachan, dvivachan, bahuvachan. But in English we read two numbers, singular number and plural number. First of all, we should know about singular number. It denotes only one. Singular number denotes only one. So by which word only one is denoted, that is called singular number. For example, cow, pen, book, tiger, etc. Now we should come to plural number. It denotes more than one. When any word denotes more than one, that is called in plural number. Example: cows, pens, books, tigers, etc. It means we cannot use pens for one. When there is one, we will use pen, and when there are two, we use pens. For two, we cannot use pen. In the same way, when there is one, we call it pencil, but when there are two or more than two, these are called pencils. We cannot say these all pencil. It is when there is more than one, these are called pencils, and one will not be called pencils. So, for one, we use singular number, and for more than one, we use plural number. Today we have studied about number. Number denotes the noun whether it is one or more than one. It has two kinds: singular number and plural number. Singular number denotes only one, and plural number denotes more than one. There are some ways of making singular number into plural number. In next topic we shall study the rules how to change singular number into plural number. Thank you. Have a nice day.